That's nice. That's a nice photo. I should have gotten that.
Make a photo out of the video.
Oh, oh, okay. Why don't you walk towards me, please? You can call Leo.
Hey, Leo. He's not going to come to me.
Don't let him mount her, though.
Hey, you're a good dog. Let him lick your butt.